Welcome. In this video, we'll break down what phishing attacks are, how they happen, and most importantly, how to protect yourself. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is phishing? It's more common than you think and can affect anyone. Phishing is a type of cyber attack where scammers try to trick you into revealing personal information like passwords or credit card details. These attacks usually happen through deceptive emails, messages, or fake websites designed to look legitimate. Phishing attacks can come in various forms, most commonly through email, text messages, and fake websites. Scammers often use tactics like creating a sense of urgency, fear, or offering too good to be true deals to trick you. There are many variations of phishing scams, from pretending to be your bank to impersonating a social media platform. Knowing how to identify phishing attempts is crucial. There are common signs you can look out for. Be wary of emails with poor grammar, suspicious sender addresses, or links that look strange or shortened. Also, watch for websites with unsecure URLs, not HTTPS, and poorly designed or inconsistent layouts. Be very cautious of any unexpected request for personal or financial information, especially online. Now let's talk about what you should do if you encounter a potential phishing attempt. First, never click on any links in a suspicious email or message. Avoid going to questionable websites. Always verify the identity of the sender. Call the company directly if you're unsure. If you suspect a phishing attack, report it to the appropriate authorities and your company's IT department. Enhance your security by enabling two-factor authentication wherever possible for an added layer of protection. Protecting yourself from phishing requires staying informed and being vigilant about online security practices. To sum it up, always be suspicious of unexpected requests and verify everything. Remember, stay alert, stay safe.